Hello, I am Thomas. Today we are learn about super keyword in Java. The usage of super keyword in Java. Using super keyword, the subclass can access the immediate superclass member. Using super keyword, the subclass can access the immediate superclass member. The subclass can access immediate superclass constructor. The subclass can access the immediate superclass constructor. Also, the subclass can access the immediate superclass variable. The subclass can access immediate superclass method. The class members, which means both data and methods. The subclass can access the class members of the superclass through the super keyword. The subclass can access the superclass members, that is both data and methods constructor can access through super keyword. Here we see with one example calling superclass constructor. Here one class super, the class was extended by a subclass. A subclass sub extends the superclass. The superclass contains a class variable A and a constructor. This constructor initializes the class variable. In the subclass, it also has a constructor sub has two argument int x and int y. Using super keyword super x, it initializes the superclass constructor. It initializes the superclass variable through constructor. The super x called the superclass constructor. The super x called the superclass constructor. We pass the variable of x to the superclass constructor. It initializes the superclass variable a equal to p. Also, the subclass variable was initialized by b equal to y. In the main class, we just create the subclass object only. We just create the subclass object only. Sub object is initialized with two variables 11 and 21. The 11 is assigned to superclass variable and 21 is assigned to subclass variable b equal to y. Here see the output of this program. The value of a equal to 11 and value of b equal to 21. Here we see with another example, access superclass data and methods. Here with one class super, another class sub1 extend super. Here superclass has contained class variable int a and subclass contain class variable b equal to 10. Both superclass and subclass contain the same methods void display and void display. Using super keyword super.a, it accesses the superclass variable. Super.a is initialize the superclass variable. Super.a, the subclass can easily initialize the superclass variable. Super.a, it initializes the superclass variable, and super.display, it called the superclass method. Super.display just call the superclass method. Here we create object for subclass sub1 object1 dot new sub1 object1 dot display. We just call only the subclass method display. Subclass method display. The subclass method display we call the superclass method display using the super keyword. The subclass method display we call the superclass method using super keyword. Using the super keyword, we also initialize the superclass variable. Using super keyword, we initialize the superclass variable. Here we see the output of the previous program, value of a equal to 11 and value of b equal to 10. Thank you.